Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this Luckin airless frontal wig right here. The hair came in this cute white packaging, and the packaging came with loads of amazing goodies. It came with an eyelashes, it came with a wig grip, it came with baby hair comb, it came with bobby pin, it includes extra comb, a tweezer, and a wig cap, and the air. Look at that. Look at the cut straight from the box. I am loving it. Look at this wig, guys. Everything has been done for you straight from the box. This hair is actually beginner friendly. It has 3 combs at the front and 1 comb at the back. It also comes with an elastic band and also an elastic strap as well. As you guys can tell, you don't need any glue or gel to install this hair. The construction of the cap is glueless, and I love the fact that everything has been done for you straight from the box. The hair also comes with the pattern straight from the box. So yeah, very beginner friendly kind of wig. So yeah, I cut off the excess lace from my hair tab, and I did the same on the other side as well. I cut off the excess lace and applied the glue, and then placed the lace exactly on the areas where I applied the glue. As I mentioned to you guys, you don't have to use glue or gel as I did, but because I've been wearing this hair for a while, so I decided to go for it so that I'll be able to give you guys an in-depth review about the hair. So I pressed the lace of the wig on the glue and applied a bit of hair from the cool hair from the blow dryer. So as you can tell, you can part the hair anywhere you like. You can go for center parts, half parts, any part of your choice. I use my hands to bring out the curls, and then voila, I got the afro dinerous kind of look. But you can also go for this wet look as well. Look at the curls, guys. All I did was just apply water, no product whatsoever. I applied water on the hair, and voila, look at that. No tangling, no shedding. I've been wearing the hair for a while and I didn't experience any shedding or tangling at all, and the hair does not have any nasty smell to it. Look at that. I am loving it. I love the fact that the hair is really soft, and I love the fact that there has been no shedding whatsoever. Stay tuned for my review. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this Luckin lace frontal wig right here. Look at the curls. The curls are popping. The first thing I noticed straight from the box is the fact that the curls were popping, guys. The curls were popping. Immediately I unboxed it, I was like, hold on, everything has been done for you straight from the box. I love the fact that you don't have to do anything but cut your lace and you'll be good to go, which is really amazing because you don't have to do anything at all. The knots has been bleached straight from the box, the hair has been pre-plucked straight from the box, and you also got an elastic band in the cap to install your wig, so you don't have to use any glue or gel to install this hair. I really love that about the hair. I love the fact that anyone can actually style this hair, and as you can tell, you can wear this hair wet, you can wear it dry, and you can style it anyhow you like. The quality of the hair is just amazing. Look at that. No tangling, no shedding whatsoever. I love the fact that the hair is really soft. What I like about this hair is the lace, guys. The lace is really soft. The lace is very easy to work with. Like, look at that. As I pressed the lace on the glue, it disappeared and melted into my skin like effortlessly. That about this wig I really love a lot, and I love the fact that the hair does not shed or tangle. It's really versatile. You can style it anyhow you like. You can go for up up, up down. You can do any style of your choice with the hair, and bear in mind that the hair also comes with baby hair around the perimeters of it. Kind of baby hair, feel free to apply your baby hair. The hair does not have any nasty smell to it at all. And if you guys don't know Luckin Hair are a hair brand that sells all types of hair on their website. They have lace closure, they have lace frontal, they have curly hair, they have straight hair, they have all types of hair on their website. And I like the fact that the shipping took 4 days to get here in the UK, and that includes weekends as well. The shipping was really quick. Would I really recommend this hair? Absolutely recommend. I would definitely recommend the hair. In terms of the quality of the hair, I am a huge fan. As you guys can tell, the curls are popping. The hair is completely dried and the curls are popping still, just as if it was wet. So that for me is just amazing. I like it when a wig is very versatile, that I can style anyhow. You know, I like just like my own natural hair. That's the kind of vibe I'm getting from this hair, and I'm loving it. I love the fact that the hair is really soft. You guys can already tell from the camera, it's so soft and very bouncy, just like my natural hair but longer. This is the kind of hair that I'm sure a lot of people would like, because you know, when you have curly hair and you need a protective style, you still like the versatility you get from your natural hair, then this hair is definitely for you, because it mimics my real natural hair without a shadow of a doubt. And that's one of the reasons I am loving this hair a lot. It's just like my own hair but longer. So that's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.